Good afternoon, students. Welcome, chapter number 10, video part number 5, Information Communication Technology. Student, last video we learned what is operating system, what is applications, and Microsoft Office package included two softwares, Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Information very shortly, because we learning this information or ICT lectures with description and practically. So here is no importance large or deep description. Okay, so we learn very shortly about this applications information. Okay, so let's go on your page. Most important part of entering data. Analyze the information using the graph. Before entering data, what precautions will you take when entering data? So, as far as possible, the data should be kept in tabular form. Which form? Tabular form. See this. Okay. Different type of data should be entered in different cells. Okay. See this. Different type of data enter in different cells. Next, data should be entered neatly and in one flow. Unnecessary space and special characters should not be used. Okay. Next, many times we drag and fill. Such time the smart tag can be used after drag data to fill any data in manner as required. Manner as required. This is important part of entering data. Fill any data in any manner as required. Okay. Next, I'll describe into our Excel lecture in ICT videos. Once the data has been entered, it can be formatted in different ways. Similarly, we can perform different type of calculation using different formulas. While using a formula is equal to sign should be typed first. Similarly, no space should be inserted while typing any formula. See this. This is important and basic rule of entering data into Excel, entering formula into Excel. Okay. So next, see this. This application is PowerPoint presentation. See this. I am created my animation. Your first page. See this with the help of this application. Okay. So this is very powerful for creating a presentation for any type of important information. Okay. See this PowerPoint presentation screen. This is our work area. We learn this information and this application while ICT learning. Okay, click on the icon on the desktop, you must have with the material and pictures related to the topic on which you wish make the presentation. Select the new option under the File tab. Which tab? Under the File tab. And choose the blank slide option. You can select the kind of slide you needed according to the presentation. The type of information you need to the blank slide and insert picture. Use the Design tab. Design your slide. Use the Animation tab to animate the slide and make a slideshow. Next option or application is Adobe Reader. See this. This application for opening created PDF. Okay. Now various type of application using a create PDF file. Okay, but reader is Acrobat Reader. You can open your files, PDF files through this application. And see this Microsoft Internet Explorer. It is a browser for opening www pages, means World Wide Web pages. Okay, this is Internet Explorer. We are using currently Google Chrome, Firefox, Netscape Navigator, etc. Note, while studying the subject of science and technology, you have to actually make use of the information communication technology that you learn in this lesson to do take the help of your teachers as well as your parents and friends if you need it. Okay. Some uses of information communication technology are given in the boxes below. Let's see information into next video. I'll see you again next video. Bye. Because time is limit.